Average delay value. This is our company's recently released video encoding and decoding system, Nano HD. Compared to the previous generation MF05, the most obvious change of this product is, and in terms of interfaces, Nano HD uses HDMI interface, enriching its usage scenarios. As long as there is an HDMI port, it can be connected and used. Nano HD adopts low latency encoding and decoding algorithms. Let's see if the latency is really that low. The equipment we need to prepare includes a computer that can be used normally, computer screen, a set of Nano HD codec board, and HDMI splitter. Firstly, to ensure the authenticity of the experiment, we open the stopwatch for the 1000th percentile on the computer, connect the computer host and HDMI splitter through an HDMI, one to the computer screen and the other to another screen. Take 10 sets of photos with a high-speed camera. We can see here that the data on the two screens is consistent. Next, we will use the Nano codec board to test it. Same as the above testing method. Open a stopwatch in the 1000th percentile on the computer. Connect the computer host and HDMI splitter through an HDMI cable, with one directly connected to the computer screen and the other connected to the Nano HD codec board, and then connected to the screen through an HDMI cable. We will connect the codec board according to the above steps. To ensure the accuracy of the experiment, we use a high-speed camera to record 10 sets of data with 20 photos per set and calculate the average delay value. After experimentation, we found that the average latency is 48.9 milliseconds. Do you want to know what other advantages Nano HD has? See you next time.